What's up, book bros? I am still studying the basic essentials of methods. So, as you can read, basic essential methods. These are methods that are essential for all communications to work properly, right? So, servers, they must support the get method, the head method, and these three methods, get, post, and head. Most applications will support these three, get, post, and head. The other methods are just optional. So everything outside of get, post, and head are optional. You've got your trace, options, what else? Connect, patch, put, delete, head. Those are optional. Some methods can have a security impact when allowed. So you have to consider that as well. So if you're an infrastructure engineer, then that's probably something you need to know. I'll read the article. Although HTTP has many different methods, only 3 of them are essential for normal operation of a website. They are get, post, and head. The other methods are optional, and although some enhance the functionality of a website, others, such as the trace method, might impact the security of the server and its hosted application. So again, whenever you're building out your infrastructure and you're allowing certain methods to function on your servers, consider these essential methods, these basic essential methods as you're building out your web infrastructure. Now let's look at a sample, a get sample. You've got get, that's the method. Host, that this is the web page that you're trying to, or the resource that you're requesting from the web server, and this is what will be returned in the HTTP response. You got the accept language, that's English dash Canadian, I think that's Canadian. Accept encoding, gzip, and deflate. Deflate is the compression algorithm that the client will accept. When the resource returns, it's the files, and the gzip is a file format. It's a compression file format that the client will accept when that resource is returned. And again, the deflate is a compression algorithm. So now you've got the user agent again, which is like the user agent that made the request, or that's the browser. This browser, Mozilla /4.0, which I don't know who uses Mozilla. I use Chrome, I use Firefox, and those are the main 2 that I use for the most part. And you've got the connection field. It says keep alive. So this means that once the handshake is completed, once the request is made, the response is sent back, keep that connection alive. Remember, in another sample, the connection showed closed, meaning once the request is sent, the response is sent in response. Close that connection. No further resources would be required. So this is a simple get sample. All right, I'll read the article. This is a sample of a get request. Notice the name and password are sent as part of the URL to be requested from the user. So if you can see, you've got test.html. That's like the website is being requested, or the URL or the web page that's being requested. And you're also requesting the name. Here's, you're giving you a sample dash equals AA, and password equals AA. Those are just samples. These are just examples. So it's requesting the name and password as well, username and password. And HTTP HTTP/1.1 is the version, HTTP version that is being utilized in this get sample. Okay, again, Book Bro, studying web configurations, my SANS SEC Web Fundamentals and Secure Configurations for my 522.1 coursework pamphlet. And I am doing a little bit of studying, and I am trying to understand this a bit more. So I am reading through some of my booklets so I can go back, listen to some of these videos. So when I take my web application exam, I'll be able to understand it better. Thank you guys for listening. Peace and love.